Today we'll look at how to work with lists in Python. So it's more or less similar with other programming languages. So this is how to create an empty list with square brackets and a list of strings separated by a comma, and you can put numbers of list as well, and you can mix the types. You can put a number, string, and a float, and you can create a list of lists as well. So these are the some basics. And one thing that you need to remember is when you are accessing data. So here's a string of lists separated by comma and with the square brackets, and this is sent to a list name called acronyms. So here, if you are the index, if you are referring these items, you can't refer like 1, 2, 3, 4. That's wrong. So it needs to start from zero. The first element is assigned is zero index. So let's say if you want to take this item from this list and display it, print it, you need to mention zero. If you want to take this item, you need to mention two here. So you mention the list name and within the square brackets the index of. Then you can take this. So the and this is how you uh, create the list. And if you want to add items to the list, you can dynamically add using this append method, which is very straightforward. You use the list name and you use the method called append, and you put the item. And in the same way you can remove the item also. Or if you want to, you can use the delete keyword also here to so as I explained before, using this index starting from zero. Let's say we want to remove this first item, then we need to use this zero. If you want to remove this item, you need to use two. So if you want to remove the fifth item, let's say as a fifth item, so then we need to put zero, four here. If you want to remove the first item, we need to put the zero. So we can quickly look into what we can do practically here. We'll create test.py, test2.py. So it's an empty one. We'll create a list called just create a list, some list, and we'll give 139, and we'll see how we can we'll add to. So we can simply print the list. Okay, we will simply print the list. If you print the list, what happens is it will display. Yeah, it will display the list like this, and we'll try to dynamically append. Okay, if we append, let's append 13 and then again print it, then what will happen is yeah, the new item is added. Now we'll try to remove this item, last item, and using the remove keyword, and then again print it, then it is removed here. Finally it's removed. So instead of using remove, if you are going to use this del keyword, del, so it means delete. And let's say we are going to delete the first item from this, so then only 3 and 9 will should remain. Then what happens, we'll see. Let's see if yeah, it works like that. So this is how the basic for sorry, the list functionalities that we can work with. So we can use other types of things as well, strings. So for this example we have only taken integers.